Lawyers can make effective use of mediators in a variety of different ways during the mediation. For one thing, it can be a reality check. In other words, the lawyer may have a certain view of the case or their assessment of the damages. There's no reason why you couldn't run that by the mediator privately and get their views. So that's a kind of reality check. And the mediator can also be a reality check for the client if the lawyer's having difficulty communicating ideas or concepts to the client. The other way you can use a mediator is for their creativity. Sometimes there's something known as expanding the pie as opposed to dividing a finite piece of pie into pieces, which is the classic way of doing what we call a distributive negotiation. A mediator might come up with something creative that nobody thought of as a way of creating a win-win, for example. So there's that. Also, the mediator can be used to understand what's going on in the other room without giving away confidences. In other words, the mediator can be used for insights into opposing counsel and the opposing party. And lastly, I would say when you're ready to craft an agreement, let's say you reach an agreement and you want to do up what we call minutes of settlement, the mediator can help craft that agreement with you and deal with issues that you might not have thought of.